Hey guys, what if I told you there's a hunter who can solo an entire army? A guy so OP that even death couldn't hold him down. Today we're drawing the literal legend. Stay tuned, because this artwork's gonna be absolutely insane. It's your favorite Chaos Gremlin artist MK, back with a brand new masterpiece, and 100% guaranteed struggle-y. If you're a solo leveling stan, you already know who's coming. Jin-woo, the GOAT, but if you don't, bro, have you been living under a rock for the past 7 lifetimes? Let me school you real quick. This dude went from weakest hunter to Shadow Monarch, the man who stole armies before breakfast. Meanwhile, I'm here failing to draw his jawline for the 69th time. Alright, real talk time. I never have enough time, man. Rich peeps say I'm busy. Us broke artists cry, bro, my color palette's as dull as my life around. But guess what? I'm back, baby. Swearing on my last marker, I'll drop 1 to 2 vids every week. That means more art, more chaos, and way more why is this hand looking like a claw moments. Okay, maybe I'm overhyping, but you get the vibe, right? This drawing almost sent me to the Shadow Realm. The face looked less Cold Monarch and more Nobita after cram school. He's staring at the sketch. What even is this cursed creature? Tried once, failed spectacularly, tried again, failed but with sparkles. 3rd time, victory screech. So if your art's looking like a toothpaste-style disaster, don't quit. If I can turn my jin-woo mistake into a masterpiece, you can too. Yes, this is 100% hand-drawn. No tracing, no stealing, just pain and sweat, so plain. Don't come for me. Unless you want to meet the Shadow Army in your DMS. New idea drop. Oops. Small mistake. Y'all, I forgot focus mode existed. If the video's shaking like happy playing the camera ghost, it's not me. Legit, my gear's haunted. But next time, I'll definitely remember. Or just let AI take over my life. More fire content coming. If you vibed with this vid, click the I button for more art chaos. See y'all in the next one. Keep drawing, keep slaying, and keep leveling up. Cue Jin-woo's shadows creeping into the outro. Subscribe or face the Shadow Monarch's wrath. You've been warned.